My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video I will show you the live price predictions of the Vechain coin. What's the price change goes in the Vechain, what's the high price, what's the low price, and what is the current price change occur in the Vechain coin, I will show you, friends. So before starting this video, if you are new on my channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for new video notification. So friends, first of all we look the price of the Vechain coin at this time, and a USD, as you can see here, $0.1332 is the high price, the current price of the Vechain coin at this time, friends. Now if we look the price change in the Vechain coin in the last 24 hours, the change is 0.62%, and same like that the high price of Vechain is $0.1379, and the low price of the Vechain coin is $0.1272 is the low price of Vechain coin. That is the 24-hour high and low price you are watching now, friends. Now let's see the price statistic of the Vechain coin. What's the market cap, fully diluted market cap. Let's see the trading volume. As you can see here, the trading volume of the Vechain coin as goes upward, a very good change. Trading volume 2.64% trading volume goes up, and the market cap is 0.63%. If you look at the dominance of the 0.40% is the market dominance of the Vechain coin, and the market rank of the Vechain coin is 19 because they goes upward. Absolutely, Vechain make a millionaire in this month. As you can see here, a lot of people can take a high profit from a Vechain coin. As you can see here, 0.73% market cap is down, as you can see here, and the fully diluted market cap is same, 0.73% falls down, friends. Now let's see the price predictions chart of the Vechain coin. As you can see here, Vechain coin make a millionaire in the month of the January. As you can see here, the January as a absolutely jumping period of the Vechain coin. So those people who buy a Vechain coin in January, so look this time price of the Vechain coin, what's the high jump, millionaire, they make a trillion. As you can see here, now very straight goes upward in the 2 months. Then January they start jumping, and now today is April month. As you can see here, the April, and now at this time they are also in the jumping mode, friends. So Vechain coin, it's time to buy a Vechain coin and make a good money, make a good profit with the Vechain coin. As you can see, as I show you the graph, so how as they goes upward, as you can see here, in the January they start explosion, and now it's April they start continuously explosion occurs from January to April. So my suggestion for you, that is why that now at this time also the Vechain coin are in jumping mood. So please buy, but don't buy at this hour. Don't buy at this hour, because now at this time the change is in negative 0.42%. When the change is in positive, it's the best time to buy a Vechain coin and make a good amount of profit. But it's easy friends. When the change is positive, buy it, and at this time please hold. If you are a holder of Vechain coin, please hold Vechain coin, because the big explosion are coming soon. When the explosion starts, it's the best time for you to sell it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.